Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to House Plant Market, and welcome back to Utico Engineering Services. At Utico Engineering Services, we take our time to give explanatory videos regarding our house construction services. If you are just joining me, this apartment I'm about to explain is a 5-bedroom duplex with a penthouse on it. We started it sometime last month, and we started from scratch. If you are just joining me, you can check the link at the comment section where you see our previous videos, how we explain from the setting out up to the DPC stage where we are now. Now, if as you are watching me, you'll discover that we have finished our DPC level, and we are just trying to take the building to the lintel level. In trying to achieve this, we ensure that our mortar cement ratio is 1:4. Apart from that, we ensure that our chalking joints are closely chalked. We guide against straightness and neatness of work. Each block work that needs to be laid needs to be accurately set. In doing this, we try to use our lines and range together with the plumb. By the end of today, our target is to ensure that we raise all the block work to the required cost level and chain all the required areas so that the capital can board and we cast. If you watch closely, you discover that right now the capital is already boarding the pillars. In most cases, during our form work, if we have materials for example marine boards, we can use it to board our pillars, and it's going to still give us a better result. But in the case where we don't have such materials, the normal planks that are on ground, we ensure that we have the complete size and a good quality plank that we can use to get the right result. Now, if you are doing your boarding and you are using a floater board, you are going to be having some challenges of during casting. Either some of the board will pull out, or you will not have a straight and a unique work. During the brazing too, we ensure that we guide all our carpenters to brace their columns in a way that there will not be leakage at the end of the day. Watch very well, you discover that we've created a dot. What you are seeing there is a service dot. This was not included in the original work, but we gave professional advice to our clients, and it it becomes necessary to include a service dot, so that at the end of the day we are not going to be having to run the pipe on surface in a way that it will not be neatly placed. Though it's going to be a surface piping, but at the end of the day we are going to use a vent like material to cover the service dot. Yes, talking about the service dot, there are two ways we can go about it: either the conduit piping or the surface piping. But we always prefer the surface piping to run in service dot. Our lintel work is almost done at this stage. All the walls are connected, although it is not compulsory to connect all the walls. But for us in Utico Engineering Services, we try and consider the positions of the columns and link every connection to each columns, so that the columns can really carry the load and not the block wall. Thank you very much for your time. Please subscribe and like our YouTube channel.